Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we're going to be creating this custom layout for our collection view. So what we're going to do, basically, we're going to create this leaf-like cell, first of all, and then we're going to provide this snap to zoom effect in our collection view cell. So we're going to be designing a custom layout for this. And also in this video, I also want to show you how you can combine collection view and a table view in the same view controller, and all this programmatically. So that's part of the challenge that we're going to be tackling in the upcoming few videos. So let's go ahead and get started, and we're gonna jump right in. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video, and we'll actually start creating our basic structure for this view controller. All right, see you in the next video. Thank you.